Yeah, but this time I'm not nervous. I am hesitating, but this time not nervous. I am not fearness. Fearness does not I have.
Okay, that's nice to hear that. And how long have you been learning?
Yeah, but everybody learning from childhood. But
Uh, yeah,
from
we started our learning journey since childhood, but when it comes to spoken, so we did not start since childhood, because
yes,
if you are from English medium, so you started your journey since childhood. But if you are from your native language, native medium, so you did not start your spoken journey. That's what I was asking. I was
yeah,
asking.
because, I was also Hindi medium and starting from first class up to the class 12, I studied in Hindi medium. So that time I was not so uh, cautious about this. And but when I was in class 12, so I joined one coaching center, but they only taught me translation. How to translate from Hindi to English. But doing translation did not give me a much lot profit. And when 10 days before the Durga Puja, I joined this app, and after that I continuously talking with different kind of people on this Skype app. So this time I am able to speak in front of you, ma'am.
Okay, that's nice to hear that. I can see your improvement. Yes.
Okay, so we are meeting first time, so we should introduce each other because we don't know about you. But I have I watched your video, but I forgot.
Yeah, definitely. I would
Yeah,
like to do this one.
yesterday night I watched your video with RVS ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So how did you feel?
Yeah, I feel very good. I feel very good after watching your video with the RVS ma'am, and RVS ma'am is very good ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yesterday, I also tried to talk with RBS ma'am because RBS ma'am, I think that she is also a teacher, and she is also busy. And day before yesterday, they gave me time 11 a.m. And today I also wait 11 a.m. For RBS ma'am calling, but
Okay.
she did not on active today. So so again tomorrow I will get time from her.
Okay, yeah, yeah. She's also YouTuber and she's very busy because she's taking classes and all these things. So that's why she don't get time. I think she doesn't get time. Okay, so yeah, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ashwini Gond and I'm from Maharashtra. I'm a teacher and I have been learning English for 2 years and I have been on this app for 1.5 months. And if I talk about my hobbies, I like to listen to music. And nowadays I'm working on English language. So whenever I get time, so I try to spend.
Okay, good to hear your introduction, ma'am. And your introduction was
No,
very nice. And now my turn is coming. Before going to start my introduction, I should thank you for giving me chance and opportunity and your valuable time to give me. And I am very happy that I am talking to you. So my turn is coming to introduce myself in front of you. This is Rajiv Kumar connecting from Bihar, and I am calling from Bihar. And my father is a farmer, and I am also a farmer. I am also a tuition teacher, and my hobby is playing cricket, kabaddi, and speaking to different kind of people in English language. And my goal is to become a good speaker English language. And so I have joined this platform to enhance my uh, communication skill.
okay, that's
So this
nice.
is my short
And
introduction.
okay, beautiful introduction from your side. Nice to hear that. So how is your day going so far? And I think you are in field. What you are
Yeah,
doing?
yeah. I am in a field because I am a farmer. No, and my father is also a farmer, so I have to look after my field, and I have to do farming also work. So I am always standing on the field. So whenever I get time, no, so I just connected with different kind of people on the Skype app, and I started talking with different kind of people.
Okay. So you started your journey on Skype of 1 month, I think. But how
Yeah,
long have you been learning English, spoken English?
yeah, because I have been watching South Indian movie dubbed in English from last to 1 year, and continuously I am getting much profit from that. And what I can I was able to understand 1 year ago what I was not able to speak 1 year ago. What I was I was speaking, but little speaking. I was not speaking very well. But after joining this app, I am getting much profit. And uh, I used to also watch conversion video on the YouTube channel. So I got much profit. And after that, when I come to know about this app, a Skype app, and after joining this Skype app, and I have joined this app 10 days before the Durga Puja. And after that, I continuously talking with different kind of people. Uh, they gave me a lot of profit after talking to different kind of people. And I got energy, and I got time, and I got a lot of confidence from talking after talking different kind of people on this Skype app. And all the member of the Skype page is very good. Even ma'am, even sister, and even sir. Because when I was talking to one person, Sapna ma'am, so they motivated me a lot, and they gave me suggestion do like this, then you will improve. So so I'm not taking example of Sapna ma'am. All ma'am are very good, and after talking with different kind of people, I got a lot of confidence. And this time reality is in front of you. I am talking to you.
Yes, I think you from your side you have network issue. Sometimes you are stucking.
Okay,
Okay, so yeah, you are you can see a physical improvement in yourself after using this application.
yeah. Because first time I was very nervous. I was very confused what to tell. Front person what will tell if I will do mistake. But this app, I think that if anybody is beginner, so they can join this app. This app is very good, because if they will join any coaching center. So coaching center will only teach you 1 hour, and after
Yes.
they will not give you much profit. So this app is always 24 hour is available. You just
Yes.
you just drop a message anytime whenever you are free. If in the morning time you are free, if you are a farmer, then morning time. If you are not free, then night time you are free, then you just drop a message. After that, anybody will feel free, so they will call you, and you just start speaking, no problem. And I am very happy with after joining this app. And I got a lot of opportunity from this app also, because I made many mistake while speaking, but nobody had laughed at me. Just they motivated me. All the members of the Skype group, all the members also helped me. Because of helping, I am just in front of you, and I am speaking to you.
Yes, because no one is in this world is perfect, and when we start our journey, very first time at the time, everyone makes mistake. So making mistake is our rights, but we should not make same mistake again and again. But so that's why maybe no one judge on this application, no one make fun at because everyone is a learner on this app, I think.
Yes. You rightly said that everybody on this Skype app is learner, because all all have joined this app only for getting much and much profit, only for improving their communication skill, and only for joining in order to improve in order to enhance their English speaking. So that's why they have joined this app. So they are not laughing at me, because all are making a mistake. Even co-learner is available on this Skype app. Learner is also available is in this app, and beginner is also available on this app. Expert person is also available on this app. How to speak with different people, so they will suggestion. They will give you suggestion.
Yes, you are right. Yes, everyone are available is available here. Beginner, intermediate, and who is very good at English also. Trainer also. Yes, I spoke with one trainer also that his name was Shiv Trainer. So yes, he's very good at English. So a lot of people are available here. All kind of people are available. So we can learn a lot of things from them. So we should be consistent. So we will get a lot of things to know.
Yeah, because we are also a learner, and I haven't talked with RVS ma'am, but once 2 months before, 2 months before, I talked with RVS ma'am, but only on audio call. But they gave me one suggestion that listening is the very important. So I got their point, and I also regularly watching conversion video, and I am listening conversion video, and after
Mhm.
that I got much profit because I am speaking in front of you, you know. So when you are speaking, just I am concentrating what you are speaking, and your sentences I am keeping in my mind. And when I will speak with different person after disconnecting this call, I will use your sentences what you are this time talking to me, I will apply with different people. So
Yeah.
this is yeah, using this process I am learning.
Okay, that's nice. Because you are learning very eagerly. That's why you are listening very carefully. And whatever I'm saying, whatever next person is saying, you are adapting these things, and you are grasping these things, and you are applying on yourselves after you
Yeah.
when you speak with another people. So that's nice, and nice strategy to learn. When the childs are young, at that time they apply same things. When they are very young, 1 year and 2 years age, at that time they just listen very carefully to others, and they start their speaking journey. Just like that, you are speaking and you are learning.
Yes, yes, it is a good thing that we are talking with different person, and talking with the different person in a one day is a good thing, because if I am talking with different person, so I am getting much new idea from you and from other person, and I am also increasing my knowledge also.
Yes, because every person has different kind of knowledge, and every person has different kind of perception. So that's why we get to know different things from different person. So we should always connect with different person. So we will be very updated.
Yeah, yeah, you are rightly saying that every person in the world having different kind of mentality, different kind of thoughts, and uh, uh, different kind of data, having different kind of information, having different kind of uh, knowledge having. So we should talk with different kind of people in order to get knowledge, in order to increase our knowledge, in order to increase our communication skill, in order to increase our thoughts also.
Yes, yes, you are right. Yeah, you are. Okay, I wanted to ask one more thing. If you get rejection, everyone get rejection in our life. So how do you face with it? If you criticize someone to you, so how do you take it?
Yeah, yeah, because this time I am talking to you, my sister, outside of the my village. Because if I am talking inside the village, no, so all person are always criticizing me. Of doubt, of course, many times I have said. So that's I just come out from my home, and after in my field, after coming from my home, I comes to my field, and after that, after coming from my home, I just come to my field, and I start speaking with different kind of people. But I don't take care, I don't take tension what the other are thinking about me, but they always criticizing me, because someone criticize me on the other person, so other person always comes to me, and they told me that this person is telling about you this thing and this thing. So so
So
I
you
don't care.
avoid that person and you go ahead.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I became very happy because they are criticizing me. I don't take tension, I don't take nervous, because because if you I am telling one thing, sister.
Mhm.
I am
Yeah.
telling one thing, that if someone will criticize you, if someone will criticizing you, just think that you are doing progress in your
Yes.
life.
Yes. When
Okay.
we do something good, and when we do something important thing, so at that time the people criticize you. If you are doing,
Yeah.
if you don't do a bad thing, at that time when the people will criticize you. If you are doing something good, still they will criticize you, because some people are always ready to criticize. everyone. Shravya.
True thing. It is a true thing, sister. If someone is criticizing you, just think, just remember that you are doing progress. You are choosing the road of the progress. You are you are reaching at the destination of your progress. So just think it and don't take tension. So I am doing this method.
That's nice. So you are the very positive kind of person, I must say.
Yeah.
You don't
Because I have faced many problems in my life, so I am not taking tension. Whatever other person is thinking about me, I am not taking tension. Because whenever I start speak with different kind of people on my home, so other ladies in my village just gauge me that I am speaking English, and they are whispering. She is whispering among themselves.
Okay. Okay, nice. Okay, so what else? Say if you want to ask me anything, you can ask.
Okay. I have one question to ask to
Okay.
you. So,
Yeah.
please give me some suggestion, ma'am, so that I can I can improve my English.
Okay. Okay, first thing is that I'm not that much fluent to suggest you, but whatever I did, I will tell you. In initial day, I did classes, that was spoken classes. After that, I started watching only conversational videos, and after that, I started speaking on audio calls, and to overcome my hesitation on in front of people. So that's why I started my speaking on video call. But if you really want to improve yourself, you should be very consistent. You should not make any lame excuse to drop every day any day without speaking and without practicing. So that's why I want to suggest you be consistent
Yes,
and
yes,
never
you
make
are
excuses.
yes, you are truly saying because of regularly speaking.
Shantanu.
This time I am regularly speaking. I am speaking regularly because of that. I am speaking in front of you. Otherwise, I'm not able to speak in front of you.
Yes, that's nice. Nice to hear that you are very consistent. And one more thing is that you are watching conversational videos, and there are many more motivational speakers are also, and they speak in English. So we should follow their technique, and we should follow shadow technique. Whatever they are speaking, we should speak same just like them. So we will improve our pronunciation, and we can improve our speaking thing also.
Yes. You can motivate yourself. You can motivate. You are only person. You are only person who can motivate to yourself. Okay. So I am
Mhm.
getting suggestion from other. I am getting suggestion from you, but I am I am only motivator of myself. So that's why I am
Okay.
speaking to you.
Motivator. So you are self motivated. You are the motivation of yourself. You
Yeah.
don't
Because
believe in. Okay.
this time you are speaking no. So I think that you are of your motivator.
Yes. No one can push you for a long time. So
Yes.
if you are self motivated, so you will be you will go for long. But if you pushing you, so how long someone will push you to do something this and do something that, and we will feel very bored if someone is suggesting you do this and do that. If you are you are yourself, if you are uh, learning design, so you will be able to learn anything.
Yeah. If I am taking an example. If you are motivating me, if you are motivating that we should not abuse to elder person, we should respect to other elder person. Our elder person, we should respect. But if I
Mhm.
will respect to, if I will control myself, okay,
Mhm.
I will not abuse to elders. I will respect to the elders. So this time I am a motivator of myself.
Yes. That's nice thing actually. We should
Yeah.
be motivated. We should have self motivation. Okay, so my daughter is disturbing you. So it was nice
No.
conversation. Thank you for giving me your time. Shall we wind up our session?
Okay.
Okay, nice to speak with you. Thank you. Thank you so
Okay.
much. Okay,
Okay.
bye.
Okay. Okay.